Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogl here at Target Trading Academy with today's micros market recap. Let's get right into it. It is almost the close of New York here. It's 3:55 Eastern on Monday, February 6th. Let's start out with micro oil. So we actually opened above that close from Friday. That was down here. Hit that HVA right at the open and it just puked. Got to the close and then some, setting new contract lows before turning around at this level of support, which would be the new contract low for us here, and making new highs, ultimately overtaking them in the aftermarket here as it closed at 230 around here. So we are finishing net up for the day in oil. As far as gold goes, we opened above, hit that HVA edge, bounced off of it, finally found resistance. They kept trying to break through once, twice, three times. Third time, the sellers finally said, "No way, Jose," and you came all the way down, found a floor, got to that close, actually, I might add, from yesterday, or sorry, I said Friday. Came back up to that HVA edge, bounced off of it, tested those lows again. They couldn't make it. So if they can't go any lower and they're not going to go sideways, there's only one direction. And they pulled it back up, had some expansion into that HVA, but ultimately the sellers did step in again. And that's during the after hours. But we did finish for the day above the close from Friday. So we are net positive in oil and gold. As far as the ES and the NASDAQ go, we haven't gotten to the close in either market. We've gotten close in the NASDAQ within a point or two. So, I mean, it's close enough, but Mondays are generally really slow. But we opened below that close, below the range, had an initial run up, and then sellers stepped in, came back down, tested those lows, made some new lows, but ultimately that area held for a good 30, 45 minutes or so, finally giving way. And then that 10:30-ish area hit that HVA edge, bounced right off of it and shot up like a rocket, and then hit that edge. Again, these edges are drawn the night before the next day's trading activity. So if you are interested in getting these levels before the markets open, maybe this might be something for you. But we are an education company here. But most of the day, it just lived inside of its initial balance, as you can see here. And that looks like that's where we're going to be closing out. And that's why I started this video a little bit early. NASDAQ is no exception to that. It's just painting fences. But you can see the response line of those levels. Opening below that close, had an initial run up, and just getting stuffed at this HVA edge several times before they finally broke into it. And once, twice, three times, that resistance became support for those students who had these levels. You can see the support right there, another monster potential entry. Ultimately, they did make new lows, but just couldn't quite make it to that close. They got close on this run up during lunch, but for the most part, just couldn't cut it. And it was mainly an inside day for that initial balance. But if this is something that you're interested in, these levels and how you can get and being able to get them onto your charts the night before, feel free to reach out to us. Or if you're just interested in the education aspect of it, again, feel free to reach out to us. We teach our students how to trade futures market. If that's something that interests you, again, feel free to reach out to us. We are Target Trading Academy. You can find us online on Facebook or our website. Our website is targettrading.co. Again, that is targettrading.co. Get in touch with us at either location. Ask one of our consultants there, and they'll gladly show you what we do in our rooms each and every day, and you'll be able to see for yourself why we are the #1 trading education company in the world. We look forward to seeing you there.